Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to add friends in Neverness to Everness game. So here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all launch the game, and when you are inside the game press the escape button on your keyboard to bring the menu, and then you can see the friends option over here. But make sure you have reached the level 3, only then you can add friends. So if you are on level 3 then click on this friends, and here we'll see add friend. So click on add friend, and here you can enter the UID. For example, my game UID is 2182150954558. So you have to enter your friend UID, not your UID. You have to enter your friend UID and then click on search, and then you can add your friends. So this is how you can add friend to your Neverness to Everness game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.